Hey parents! Packing a safe, healthy, and exciting lunchbox can feel like a daily puzzle, especially if your child has food allergies.
But don't worry, I'll got you covered. In today's video, we're making quick, allergen-safe lunchbox ideas that are kid-approved and fun to eat. Did you know that 1 in 13 kids has a food allergy? The most common culprits are peanuts, tree nuts, dairy, eggs, soy, wheat, fish, and shellfish. But here's the good news. You don't need those ingredients. With a little creativity, you can make meals that are safe and exciting.
First up, the colorful wrap. This one is nut-free, egg-free, and dairy-free. Super quick to put together.
These bite-sized pinwheels are colorful, crunchy, and fun. Even picky eaters can't resist them.
Next, let's make DIY mini Lunchables, a healthier, allergen-safe version of the classic store-bought kind. This way, your kids get to build their own snackable bites at lunchtime. It's interactive, fun, and makes them feel like they're eating something special.
Our third idea is the rainbow rice bowl, super filling and allergy-friendly.
The colors make it so appealing, and you can customize it with whatever veggies your child loves.
Okay, quick pause. Before we jump into my secret formula, here are some must-know packing tips for kids with allergies.
These small steps can make a big difference in keeping your child safe and confident at lunchtime.
Here's my secret formula for building any lunchbox in under 10 minutes. I call it the 3-2-1 rule. This keeps things balanced, exciting, and easy to plan. Plus, your child gets a variety of nutrients and flavors every day.
And there you have it, quick and healthy lunchbox ideas for kids with food allergies.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.